In this short video tutorial, we will talk about the script tag that we mostly write in the head section of the web page. Although the script tag can be written in the body section also, or in the head section, depending on where exactly you want your script to execute. But mostly we put the script tag in the head section. So let's talk about the script tag. Now we are using the same code that we wrote in the previous tutorials. So we will be putting the script tag just below the, let's create some room. So just below the link tag that we created. Now the script tag is actually used to write some script that will execute in the browser. Mostly, we write JavaScript that will run when our page will load. So the script tag is mostly used to write the JavaScript code. So we write the script tag, the opening of the script tag, and then the opening of the script tag, and then we put the closing tag. So in between the opening and the closing tag, we write our JavaScript. So if I write a small function, alert hello, so this is a JavaScript function and we have written it inside the script tag. Now when we write this function inside the script tag, the browser will understand that this is some code that it has to run. So although you will be writing much more complex JavaScript code in your script tag, but just for the sake of giving an example, I have called a very simple JavaScript function alert, and it will give an alert hello when this page will run. So let me save this file by pressing Ctrl S, and let's open the browser and let's refresh our page. Now when I will refresh this page, it will load the new HTML and it will see the script tag and it will run the alert function. So let's refresh this page and notice that the hello alert has been shown by the browser on reloading this page. So when I will click OK, the page will finish loading itself, and the page has now fully loaded in the browser. So this is how you can use the script tag to write the JavaScript code in your web page. At the end, I would again like to mention that the script tag can be written both in the head and the body section, depending on where you want your script to execute. So with this, we will end our short tutorial here. To access our complete web development course, please visit openeschool.com/webdevelopment. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates. Thank you.